Okay, so the internet basically just exploded. And you want to know why? It's all because of one name. After years and years of waiting, one of the biggest bands on the entire planet is officially back.
Get out your calendars, circle this date, March 20th, 2026. This is not just some random day, you guys. It's a promise. It's the one thing millions of fans have been clinging to, and honestly, it's the day the music world is probably going to get flipped on its head all over again.
And you know what's so cool about this? This news didn't come from some stuffy corporate press release. No way. It came straight from the guys themselves. They sent out these really personal, heartfelt letters directly to their fans, to ARMY, just thanking them for sticking by them, for believing in them through all this quiet time.
So, yeah, all those whispers, all that waiting, it's over. The speculation is officially done. I mean, within minutes of this dropping, the internet just went into a total meltdown. It was trending everywhere, all over the world. And this wasn't just another rumor, right? This was the real deal. A concrete, official announcement that the full group is back, and they're dropping their first album together in years. Just look at the reaction. That alone tells you how massive this really is. Okay, but to really get why this is such an electric moment, we've got to go back a little bit. We have to rewind, because this reunion, it's been 4 long years in the making. So think about it, from 2022 all the way to 2026. That's 4 whole years. Yet we got some amazing solo projects, and they all hit these incredible individual milestones, but there was always that question in the background, you know? That constant anticipation. Well, that long wait is finally over. So why the pause in the first place? Well, it all comes down to mandatory military service in South Korea. It's a national duty that every eligible man has to complete. And that's exactly why all 7 members had to step away from group activities for a while. But now, that chapter is officially closed. The wait is done. 7. That's the magic number, right? It's what defines this group. RM, Jin, Sugar, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. And now, all 7 of them have finished their service. They are, finally, back together again.
And let's be clear, this isn't some quiet little victory lap. Oh no, this is a launch. They're not just reunited and hanging out, they are already back in the studio, together, working on new music, crafting the sound of this whole next chapter. You can just feel it, right? The creative engine is officially fired up and ready to go.
So this really isn't about picking up where they left off. It feels more like a total rebirth. So what's actually next? What does the future hold for one of the most influential groups on the planet? Okay, so the plan is rolling out in 2 absolutely massive phases. Step 1, a brand new, full-length album. But that's just the start, of course. Right after that comes Step 2, a huge world tour, so they can bring all this new music to fans all over the globe, live and in person. And see, it all comes back to that one single date, March 20, 2026. It's not a question of if anymore. It is a very loud, very clear statement of when. The countdown has officially begun. Think about it. They've all grown so much as solo artists. They've experienced life away from that intense spotlight, and now they're coming back together with a totally new perspective. The stage is set. The entire world is watching. So the only real question left is, what are they going to do this time? How will BTS redefine music all over again?